what's this?
Oh yeah. Clean up drive, yeah. Drive.
You can put the garbage in my car. I don't mind.
No, it's not wet garbage. It's all dry, so it's fine. Just throw it at the back. It's not smelly or anything.
Take a good 5 minutes, 1 minute, Sashi.
This is shit.
What you're doing?
What people are doing here is shit. It's disgusting. I can't believe they throw the rubbish like this. I want to go back to their houses and throw this there.
I guess this has turned into like a cleanup drive. I didn't start this. I don't know who started it. I think she did. Yeah. We're just cleaning up whatever has been left here on the ground since we just found so much like plastic and litter everywhere. Keep the desert clean.
But how much we got in 10 minutes?
So what you want to tell to the people?
To be more responsible. People need to be more responsible. We're in the middle of the desert and we got this much plastic in 5-10 minutes. I don't know. Just be more responsible. Cheers. So, yeah, the purpose of this ride is what was to have fun in the desert, but when you come to a place awesome like this, and this scenery, good scenery and great scenery, it's sad to see all of this trash and plastics here in the desert. So please guys, keep it clean, be responsible, be good for the community and for the environment, and stop dumping and keep your trash in the desert. Keep it clean for everyone and for our world to be in a better living for our next generations. So thank you.
No, we're just making sure that Dubai stays clean. There's a lot of like pollution that might have come from all this wind, and you know, sometimes some people, they come to the desert and they, you know, forget to clean up after themselves. So we're just making sure that we're gonna keep this place clean, and you know, we're all out here for a good time. So that's why we're out here also. Yeah.
That's good.
Thanks, man.
This is a learning for the others.